In this video, you are going to learn how to recreate this exact beauty flyer that you see on your screen with your smartphone. So let me show you how this was created. This particular one was actually created by Digital Graphics. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first thing I'd like you to do is to like this video and share it. Okay, so let's go. The size, we're going to get the size. This is the image size. All right, thank you. All right, so we're going to go over here and select a neutral color, maybe white. So for our own design, this is the background that we'll be using. So this is the background that we are going to be using. All right, then let's bring in the image. So this is the image that we're going to be using. All right, so let's just touch the image a little. Let's increase it just a little. Let's come to the brightness and do this. All right, so this is one of them we'll be using, right? So I'm going to close this one. So this one, right, we'll just come over here, click here, crop, and click this part so that you have something like this. So put it there. All right, then let's lock it and bring the image here. So all right, so this one is the other part. You're going to see it in the description of this video, but okay, so let me clean this one out. Let's clean this one out. All right, do it to like this video and then share it with a friend. All right, so this one I'm going to drag it like this. All right, so let's move this. All right, so let's quickly get a shape like this. So we're going to put use here. Okay, somewhere there. I think we can still move these images in. So let's put this one here like this, small. All right. Okay, so I'm going to bring in the original design. All right, so we can reduce this one here like this. Okay. All right, so this particular image now we can maybe reduce it a little. Let's reduce it a little, just small here. Then we can move this one here. All right. All right, then this one we can now adjust it, which is this one here. We can adjust it now. So let's increase it. All right, then this one we can pick the color from here. All right, we can send it to the back. Then we'll send this particular guy to the back. So let's lock this one. All right, so let's increase this guy. Let's make it a little bit more whitish. Or let's just even make it white safe. Okay, don't worry about that. Then here we have Well, those we have these. Okay, that's the business name. So we'll come here. Now, there's several fonts we can use, but I just want us to use something simple, very simple. Mm, mm. All right, so I found this font that says this font here. Okay, sub this suburb. All right, so I'm just gonna increase this. Then I'm gonna so that there are two colors there, but let me bring this out first. All right, I can see two colors there, so let's get those colors. We may use this just to switch it. All right, so we just increase it a little, close the space up, reduce it. All right, then remove this. All right, then this guy here, we'll bring it to the front, which is this. Bring it to the front like this. All right, then we have shine without limit, right? So come over here, we'll copy that text there. Shine without limit. Okay, so okay, so put a shape, put it inside a square like that. Then this guy we can bring it to the front. No, so lock this one, lock this one. Okay, I can move this on here. Okay, let me quickly get the text. All right, so these are the services. Let's copy it. All right, so copy and paste it there. It's quite spacious, so let's come over here and add space to them. All right, so let's put it say here like this. All right, so now we can make an adjustment to this. Just bring it to the front verse, then move it like this, then take it down. Then we can now send this to the back again, then send this to the back. So we have something like this. Can move it here. Okay, then all we have there is services, and then the other one is and many more. All right, for the services I'm going to use this gradient background here, or this, and just increase this like this, increase this like this, so it should almost be the same, maybe 28 or so. Then for the top part we can put 5, for the bottom part we can put 5. So we can now reduce it, then change the color to maybe white. Sorry, we'll put it there. I can bring this one here, then I can copy this one. You are so good. You are so kind. Almighty God. You are so good. You are so kind. Almighty God. So after you have fixed that, then you want to, okay, so there's this point and all. So for this we're going to put the address. So I'm just gonna use this same guy. The reason I'm using this is because it's already like, okay, so this is going to be for the address. So just come to this and select one of these. All right, then yes, then we can come over here and fix these other guys. So at this part here, it's looking like the there is a kind of, let me show you that. You see this guy here, we're going to crop it like this small, then just come and reduce the opacity. I'm going to reduce it and do it like this. Okay, sorry, rotate it again, reduce it, reduce opacity. What I want to do is to bring it here. Okay, then we're going to do it like this. I'll move it to the top. And we adjust it. All right, then we can fix this one. We can paste this one here. Change the color to white. All right, so just adjust it there. Now close up the space. Then increase. Now you can get the font when you're creating your own design. Sorry, the what's it called? I mean the icons. All right, the icon that was used. You can get it yourself. All right, so for this I want to just increase it a little more and bring it in here. Then bring this one here. Come over here and put that shape around it. Then do this, do this, then come to maybe two, then do this. So that's what we have. Thank you for watching. Please do it to like this video, and of course you can always share with a friend. I really appreciate that if you share the video with a friend. You see this part there that looks like it's all this. See what I want to do now. Sorry, not that. Click here. I'm going to increase this, and I'm going to take all these guys out, even to this point here, even to this point here, everything like this. I'm going to take everything out. Please like the video and then share with your friend, and I'd like you to tell me what you benefited from watching this video. All right, then I'm going to increase this guy now. All right, I'm going to put it around this part of the design. All right, all I need to do is to bring, all right. So when you're done with your design, always ensure you save it, and always ensure that you Always ensure that you save your design, because anything can happen while you're working. Anything, absolutely anything can happen while you're working. Ensure you save it, and so that you can have a backup file just in case anything happens. My name is Niyamura. Thank you for watching to the end. I will see you in the next video. Please tell me what you're watching. Tell me what you benefited from this video. Please like, subscribe, and share.